If you're reaching for coffee every 2 hours just to stay awake, your body is trying to tell you something. And here's the problem. Caffeine is masking the real issue, not fixing it. I'm about to reveal 7 ways to get natural, lasting energy without a single cup of coffee. And the mistake at number 4? It's so common that doctors see it every day, and fixing it can double your energy in just 48 hours. Stay with me. Let me be clear, I'm not saying caffeine is bad. But if you need it to function, you're treating the symptom, not the cause. Real energy comes from how your body produces fuel at the cellular level. These 7 strategies actually fix the root problems causing your fatigue, and they work faster than you think. Let's get into it. Number 1, eat protein within an hour of waking up. When you skip breakfast or grab something sugary, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes. That crash is what makes you exhausted by 10 a.m. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar for hours. We're talking 20 to 30 grams. Eggs, Greek yogurt, protein shake, or even leftovers from dinner. Studies show people who eat protein at breakfast have sustained energy and better focus throughout the entire day. No mid-morning crash, no desperate need for caffeine. This one change is a game changer. Number 2, drink water first thing in the morning. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, you're dehydrated. Even mild dehydration causes fatigue, brain fog, and low energy. Your cells need water to produce energy. Before you do anything else, drink 16 ounces of water. Not coffee, not juice, just water. Within 20 minutes, you'll notice a difference. Your brain will be clearer and your body will feel more awake. Most people mistake dehydration for tiredness and reach for caffeine when they really just need water. Number 3, move your body for just 10 minutes. This sounds backwards when you're tired, but exercise actually increases energy. When you move, your body releases endorphins and increases oxygen flow to your brain. A 10-minute walk, some stretching, or even dancing to your favorite song will wake you up more effectively than sitting there with another cup of coffee. Studies show that people who take short movement breaks throughout the day report 65% higher energy levels than those who stay sedentary. Your body was designed to move. Use it. Number 4, this is the big mistake I mentioned. You're iron deficient and don't even know it. Iron deficiency is one of the most common causes of fatigue, especially in women over 40. Iron carries oxygen to your cells. Without enough iron, your cells can't produce energy efficiently. You feel exhausted no matter how much you sleep. The tricky part? You can be deficient without being anemic. Most doctors only test for anemia, not iron levels. Ask your doctor for a ferritin test. If your ferritin is below 50, that's your answer. Add iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, and lentils, or take a supplement. People who fix their iron levels feel like a completely different person within weeks. Number 5, fix your sleep quality, not just quantity. You might be sleeping 8 hours, but if the quality is poor, you'll still wake up exhausted. Your bedroom needs to be cool, dark, and quiet. No screens for an hour before bed. No alcohol within 3 hours of sleep. Alcohol might help you fall asleep, but it destroys your deep sleep and REM sleep, which are when your body actually recovers. Poor sleep quality is like charging your phone to only 30%. You start the day already depleted. Fix your sleep environment and your energy problems will start solving themselves. Number 6, stop eating processed carbs and sugar. Bagels, pastries, white bread, candy, soda. These spike your blood sugar fast, which gives you a quick burst of energy, then a brutal crash. Your body gets stuck on a blood sugar roller coaster all day long. Every crash makes you more tired and craving more sugar. Switch to complex carbs like oatmeal, sweet potatoes, and whole grains. Pair them with protein and healthy fats. This keeps your blood sugar stable, which means steady energy from morning to night. No spikes, no crashes, no desperate need for caffeine. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which drains your energy reserves. You can eat perfectly, sleep well, and exercise, but if you're constantly stressed, you'll still feel exhausted. Your body can't sustain high cortisol levels without consequences. Take 5 minutes twice a day to do deep breathing or meditation. It sounds simple, but it works. Lowering your stress hormones gives your body permission to relax and recharge. This isn't optional. Stress will rob you of energy faster than anything else. Here's your bonus tip for watching until the end. Get sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. Natural light resets your circadian rhythm and signals your body to produce cortisol at the right time, which gives you natural energy in the morning and helps you sleep better at night. Just 10 minutes outside, or by a window. This simple habit synchronizes your internal clock and dramatically improves energy levels throughout the day. Stop masking your fatigue with caffeine and start fixing the real problems. Pick 2 or 3 of these strategies and start tomorrow. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical health advice. You deserve to feel energized naturally. Make it happen. I'll see you in the next one.